A very good evening. I think let's start maybe we'll wait for another 5 minutes and start the session sharp at 4:05. If we have more people joining us, let's just wait for them. I hope that's okay. Good evening to each and every one of you who have joined us today. My name is Neetu Peter. Today, I'm taking this opportunity to walk you all through the Intel AI Global Impact Festival portal. So I hope at least some of you must have tried, opening the website and seeing what is the virtual event or the AI Global Impact Festival. What is it all about? And if there is any of you who did not attempt and want to understand what it is all about, that's what the session is all about. So I'm sharing the screen with you. 1 second, so that I hope you're able to see my screen. Okay. So this is when you go to aiglobalimpactfestival.org. This is how the lobby looks like, and I will run you through uh, how you go through each and every section of the festival. First and foremost, you don't need a registration to explore the festival. That is the most important thing. So anybody who come there, you can go to any section and view and understand what is that the festival is all about. Okay. The first is let's go one by one here on the top, and then maybe because whatever you're seeing leader series here is while okay. Let's go to celebrate first. When you go to celebrate, the leader series, what you saw in the lobby is available here. So when you go to leader series, you will be able to see uh, the message that has been given by all the four leaders. One is yet to be up. One from Sandra El Rivera will be up shortly. So you will be able to see from these three leaders from Intel in Celebrate section. I'm going back to Celebrate section now. And AI impact multipliers. I think you must go and explore all of these. Page. You have these contributions from all the about 10 countries. So you can go see where all Intel is collaborating with the educational organizations. For example, if you go to India, we are working with CBSE and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So similarly, when I go back, you can go and see which are all the entities, government entities that Intel is working with in different countries. So that is what AI impact multipliers is all about. And then I am going back. Then you have AI gaming arena. Many of you would be really interested to go and explore that. You have four games here. What you see here is two rock, paper, and scissors and Symmetris. There is an arrow mark here. When you click, you will be able to access the other two also. I've been told this is different if there are people accessing the portal from different countries. But if you're accessing from India, these are the games that you have access to. I'm going back to celebrate. So Intel Innovation Digital is also something you should go and explore. What is that all about? That's for you to figure out. Okay. Now I'm taking you to learn section of the portal. When you go to learn, especially AI impact talks, I urge each and every one of you to go to this section, because if you are planning to take your, in terms of your education or your career towards, in the field of technology, especially in AI, I think you should go and listen to each and every one of them. That will give you a lot of perspective about what is the direction that you should go towards. So this is how it looks like. Now this is the first page when you go to AI Impact Talks, and you can see the profile of 6 speakers. Okay. So when you click on these arrow mark, you will be able to see the next. So similarly, there are 5 pages. And when you click on a particular talk, for example, I'm clicking here of Framing the Future Industrial World by Dr. Faith and Dr. Irene. When I click on this, you can go and listen to their session or talk about the topic that they have picked. Okay, click on it, you will be able to listen to it. I'm going back again. This is how you will be able to access all the speakers talk that is being listed here. Okay, and similarly, okay, this is the another most important thing. This is Demystify AI and Openvino Toolkit. This is the only the course that you can do on the festival, where you will also get a certificate for doing this. I'm just clicking on this so that you will get an idea as to here. This is the Intel AI Global Impact Festival. Okay, as you see, you will come to this page. When you click on the Openvino Toolkit, you will come to this tab. When you go down, You click here to confirm that you have gone through the disclaimers and you start. Then that is self-explanatory. You will know how to go about it. Okay. So, and you will be able to download a certificate immediately right after it. They will, once you complete it, we will be asking you for your data, like your name, which needs to be printed on the certificate. Okay, so I would urge you, all of you, to please go and try that. Similarly, AI ideation skills workshop in the learn section. When you click on that, you will be able to attend a workshop that is about 48 minutes, 30 seconds. Okay, so that is the another learning opportunity that you have on the festival. I'm going back again. So this is the main page in the learn section. We have completed all the three. Now I am going to the compet section. When you go to compet, there are four, we have projects that has been listed in four categories. Okay, so one is AI enthusiast 100, especially AI enthusiast 100. We have uh, we have ideas listed from about how many you see, about 13 countries. So when you go to each of these countries, you can see the top ideas from those countries. So we at this point in time, and you will be able to vote for your favorite idea. For example, if you click on India, you will see all the 10 ideas that has been listed. So when you click on, for example, the first one, a step closer to reality in the virtual world. This is from India, okay, under AI Enthusiast 100. I'm clicking on that. This is how you will be able to see the idea. And I hope you're able to see these 5 stars down. This is, I have already voted. That's the reason the star looks in golden color. So we request all of you to go and vote for these ideas from India, especially because that will help them to take their ideas to the next level, to the global level. Okay. So once you have a look at the first one, you click on this arrow mark, that will take you to the next one. You don't have to again go back to go to the uh, next idea. Okay. Once you do this, once you complete this, again you can click on go back. When you do go back, you will be again, you will be able to see all the first screen that I came to inside India. And when I am going back again through compet and AO Enthusiast 100, and similarly you can go visit all the other ideas that has come from different countries. So it would be very interesting for you to go see what are all the ideas, the problem statements that's coming from across the world. So I would urge you to go and vote specially for AI Enthusiast 100 category, because you have it open only till 12:30 p.m. our time tomorrow. So please go ahead and vote by that time. Okay. And then I'm going to compete. AI impact creators are the projects, the completed projects that has been showcased by students. Again, I'm picking some other country here just for a change, because I've been showing you India. Let's go to Poland. When you go to Poland, you will be, there are three projects that have been showcased from Poland. So click on a project that you want to go see, and click on the project video. There are two things here. One is a project video, the other one is the project synopsis. So click on it. This is the project video. If you want to see, this is how you will be able to go see the project video. So watch that. Okay. I'm closing this for now, and I'm going back to compet. And AI impact creators, I just run you by that. And this is AI impact shapers. AI impact shapers are the projects that have been submitted by the schools or by the teachers. I would say they are, they are by the teachers. So for example, again, I'll show you India. If you go to India, I'm opening the first project here. When you click on it, I think click here to watch video. Uh, Yes, this is from a school in Bangalore, Air Force School, Bangalore. So this ma'am, Leelambika ma'am, has spoken about what is it they are doing in their school. So this would be something very interesting for all of you to go see what are all the work that is happening on AI in different countries. I mean, in terms of in school, the way what's happening in my school, I'm sure you would be interested to know and understand what is that is happening in a with students of my age in a different country when it comes to AI. So just go and explore and try to understand what is happening. Okay. Similarly, you have AI impact catalysts, and these are again at the what is the work that is happening at the government level. So I'll again go to India. Okay, there are two organizations that we have featured here. One is Nirmal Hriday Education Society, and the other one is Shashwat Foundation. Okay, so similarly, you go back. I'm going to copy it again. Um, and AI impact catalyst, go to another country, United Kingdom, for example. You can see what is here. We have taken Inspiring Digital Enterprise Award. They have collaborated, in terms of we are featuring them in this category from UK. Okay, so this is what we have in Compet. I'm just walking you through very quickly through all of these sections. You will have to sit down and go through all of them to understand what is it happening in a school ecosystem, and what is the kind of project students are coming up with, and what is it happening across the world. So next is badges section. When you go to badges, the first page itself is quite self-explanatory. There are four kind of badges that you will be able to win based on the amount of time that you spend on the portal. Okay, so what is the award? What is the points that you get? So the highest being 20,000 points. If you earn 20,000 points, you will get a platinum badge. And how do you get 20,000 points has been explained here very clearly. So I would urge all of you to please go through it and spend enough time on the platform, gain how much ever knowledge that you can about AI, because whatever the content that is available on this till 30th, it's only available till 30th. It is not available after that. So make the best use of it, yeah, and you will be able to win these badges, download it, and you will also be able to share it on your social media handles. I think you should go ahead and share it on your social media handles so that you will be encouraging others in your circles or people who are following you to do the same. So another feature here is Selfie Booth. So when you click on the Selfie Booth, there I think your laptop's camera gets on, and you will be able to click a selfie which comes with the branding of the global festival. Again, you will be able to download that and share it on your social media handle. So every time you share your badge or your selfie, please remember to tag us. Tag with hashtag AI Impact Fest. So every time you tweet or use this hashtag on social media, that gets featured on our social wall. Can you see that? I hope you'll be able to see that. Okay, this is our social wall. Anybody who uh, has tagged AI Impact Fest, I mean, use the hashtag, it gets featured here on the social wall. So I would urge all of you to please go ahead and share your badges and your selfie, and do remember to tag us. And I suggest you to come back and check here if it has been featured. Okay. Next is you also have a help desk where you can go, and if you have any queries, you can go ask your queries there, and that gets answered quite quickly. Okay. And there is a resource center where you will be able to go and access different resources, and you will also be able to, if you don't have time to go through it when you are accessing it, you are also allowed to download these resources, and you will be able to go through that later. Okay. So this is it about, and I would again bring your focus back to Compet, and especially AI Enthusiast 100. And go please visit all the ideas, especially the ideas from India, and vote for them. As Team India, I really think we should help them take their ideas to the next level, and I'm sure you will be more than happy to go check it out and vote for them. Okay. uh, so this is what I have got to. I think I have taken you through all these sections of. Again, I'm getting you back to lobby just to see if I missed anything. No, I have taken you through all these sections. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and ask me. I would be more than happy to answer them. Please post your questions if you have any, or can we share it on Insta? Yes, yes, of course you can share it on Insta. Uh, Please go ahead and share it and tag us with AI Impact Fest. Please use our, we've come up with filters. I would request you to go and use our filters on your Insta. Okay, we have a query saying, I really want to be a part of AI Impact Festival and earn badges and certificate, but my exams are going on. Okay. Uh, I really see. You can just plan your time, because this you have this festival live till 30th. So definitely focus on your exams. That is the most important thing. With that, see if you can give at least half an hour or whatever time that you can give in a day, and go through the videos one by one. Not everything in one shot, because you have enough time. See how you can plan and make the best use of that. Yeah, as I told you about filters, please use our filters on Insta. Use them and please post them in your handle, so that many more friends of yours will get to know about this. And they'll also get to benefit, understand about AI, and you would really be helping them in terms of getting to know about the future technology. Okay, I see another question. Someone is asking how to get certificate. Um, as I told you, you have to go to Learn section and Openvino Toolkit. When you go to this Learn section, you will see that. Go and complete a 45 minutes micro learning module. Once you complete that, you will be able to download your certificate stating that you have done that course, which is an Intel certified certificate. So you will be able to download that. If you are asking about a certificate of having participated in the festival, we don't have anything like that. If you complete the course, you will get certificate stating that you have completed. That's it. Openvino Toolkit course. Yeah, I'm waiting here to hear from you. If there's any of you have more queries, we are more than happy to answer them. Again, I would like to remind you all about the deadline that we have for voting in AI Enthusiast 100 category. I request all of you, please go to the compet section, go to AI Enthusiast 100 section, and especially go and see the ideas that has come from across the world. And I request you to please go support the ideas from India, and let's help them take it to the next level. Because the voting is available only till tomorrow till 12:30, though the entire festival is available till 30th. It's going to be live till 30th of this month. The voting is available. You can vote for your favorite ideas only till 12:30 tomorrow, so please keep that in mind and please go and vote for Team India. So again, I'm reminding you about downloading your badges, putting it up on your social media handles, and when you do it, remember to hashtag AI Impact Fest, and come back and check on a social wall if it is featured. Uh, you might be happy to see that your uh, tweet having been featured on the social wall of the Fest portal. See, we had done a session 3 weeks back requesting the students to submit your projects, because I'm answering this question because there's a question saying, is there any project-based competition is going on? If yes, how to join? So that competition is over at the country level. So whatever the projects that has been shortlisted at the country level is what you see uh, on the Fest AI Global Impact Fest portal. That is what you see. So currently there is no competition going on at the country level. All the submissions have been closed because we have received it and it has been shortlisted at the first level. Now it is going to be shortlisted at the global level. So that's why we are requesting you to vote for the projects from India. At this point in time, you cannot submit your projects. I hope I answered your question. If any of you have gone ahead and explored uh, the fest, and if you have any more questions, you please post it here. We would be more than happy to answer these questions. If not, I hope you have clearly understood what all features are there on the festival. I urge all of you to please go check it out and share with all your friends and family to go and check out and understand about the future technology. Okay, since we are not seeing any more queries coming in, I think it's time for us to close this session. Before closing, I would remind all of you again to go do the micro learning module, Openvino certified course on the festival and download your certificate. Similarly, remember to go vote for the projects from India in AI Enthusiast 100 category in Compet section of the festival and help all our projects to take it to the next level. I hope you all will join hands with us in this journey. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. Bye. You have a good evening.